Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure the switch system itself is current and stable. First, check the system update and ensure your console has sufficient battery or is docked. Once done, sign into your Nintendo account and confirm your Epic Games account is linked. That connection often triggers title updates. Then restart the console using the power options to clear transient issues. Doing these initial steps primes the system so the update check proceeds without common authentication or cache problems. Next, focus on connectivity and space because updates fail for these reasons. You should run the internet test in system settings to confirm latency and NAT type. If speeds or NAT are problematic, try a wired LAN adapter or reboot your router. Once done, change DNS to Google's 8. 8, 8, 8 and 8. 8, 4, 4 to rule out DNS resolution hiccups. Also free at least 1 GB of storage. Insufficient space stops downloads midway. These steps address the most common mid-process blockers. Finally, trigger the update directly. Open the eShop or highlight Fortnite and choose Software Update via Internet so the console queries the servers immediately. If the update remains stuck, delete just the software, keep saved data, and re-download the game. That forces a fresh package fetch. Once reinstalled, power cycle your router and console and retest. If you still see errors, check server status and your NAT type. The key troubleshooting move is a full power cycle and trying a wired connection to isolate network issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.